Hi, I'm Wayne. This video will answer the frequently asked question, can Design Beast replace apps like Adobe Photoshop? The answer will surprise both the professional and novice alike. First, if you're a professional using high-end graphics editors like Photoshop, then you already know the reality. No one-off, $47 software like Design Beast replaces the power of Photoshop. But continue watching because you'll be amazed what it can do for you. The other reality is most marketers and business owners don't need even a fourth of the power of software like Photoshop for their website, video, and advertising needs. That's what makes Design Beast the perfect buy for small business owners, digital marketers, affiliate marketers, and even freelancers. Design Beast is 6 apps in one, delivering the ability to create sensational, high-impact designs, graphics, and animations for all your digital business needs. The fact is, 99% of anything you'll ever need for your website, ads, videos, or any digital image requirement can be created with the help of artificial intelligence in Design Beast. Plus, the 4-in-1 app bundle upgrade virtually eliminates any need for business owners to ever need an expensive software like Photoshop. I highly recommend this upgrade. Even the expert Photoshop user will find that Design Beast can manage most of the requests clients have. Sure, the professional will want to keep the power of Photoshop. But they'll also find Design Beast immensely powerful for many of their tasks, not needing all the extra power and complication of apps like Photoshop. For business owners, digital marketers, affiliate marketers, and even established graphics design professionals, I highly recommend Design Beast as a go-to tool. You can see my full Design Beast review at the link below or check the links below this video. Thanks for watching.